If you're a Samsung user looking for a reliable reminder app, you might be curious about Samsung Reminder. But does it really stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth your time. Samsung Reminder is designed to help users keep track of tasks and important events seamlessly. Right off the bat, the interface feels familiar for Samsung users, integrating smoothly with other Samsung apps and services. You can create reminders based on time, location, or even associate them with specific tasks in other apps like Samsung Notes. What stands out is the ability to set recurring reminders, which is great for daily tasks or weekly check-ins. Additionally, it syncs across your Samsung devices, so you won't lose track of anything whether you're on your phone or tablet. However, while it's user-friendly, there's a noticeable lack of advanced features that some users might expect from a reminder app. For instance, it doesn't have robust collaboration tools or integrations with third-party apps, which could limit its appeal for users who need more complex task management. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Samsung Reminder is straightforward and easy to use, making it perfect for those who want a simple, no-fuss way to manage their tasks. The syncing feature is also a big plus if you're deep into the Samsung ecosystem. On the flip side, the app can feel a bit basic. Users who are looking for customizable notifications or advanced features like tagging or prioritization might find it lacking. Plus, the absence of collaboration tools means it's not ideal for team projects. If you're someone who needs a straightforward reminder system and you're already using Samsung devices, it could be a good fit. But if you need something more powerful or flexible, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Samsung Reminder is a solid choice for Samsung users seeking simplicity. It's great for individual task management but may not satisfy those looking for advanced features or collaboration tools. If you fit the former, it's worth giving a try. Otherwise, alternatives might serve you better.